Hey there! If you've been dealing with the pesky fail to replace files error in Genshin Impact during updates on your PC, you're in the right place. I've got your back. Let's dive into solving this issue step by step without any unnecessary delays. Solution 1. End the update process from the Task Manager. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Then type in Genshin Impact in the search bar. Genshin Impact process should appear. Right-click on it and choose End Task. Next, close the Task Manager, reopen the Genshin Impact launcher and see if the error is gone. Solution 2. Clear out temporary files. Start by clicking on the search icon, then type in Run, then click on Run. In the box, type this text and hit Enter. Now, open File Explorer, delete everything in there, then close the window, fire up the Genshin Impact launcher and check if the error persists. Solution 3. Force update Genshin Impact. Close the launcher, then right-click on the Genshin Impact shortcut and select Open File Location. In the File Explorer, navigate to the Update Program folder. Select everything except the bottom Update Program and copy. Go back to the Genshin Impact folder and paste the copied files. Click Replace the files in the destination and then continue. Open the launcher and voila! You've got the latest Genshin Impact version without the bothersome error. And there you have it. No more fail to replace files error in Genshin Impact on your PC. If this guide helped you out, then give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks a bunch for watching.